Hi everyone, this is Nicole Palangi from V&F Auto here in Agawam, Massachusetts. We are a full service automotive repair facility. We also do maintenance on all makes and models, and we are a registered Massachusetts state inspection station. We've been in business since 1988 when the father and son duo team founded V&F Auto, V for Vinny, F for Frank, and I'm Nicole. So I am coming in as a third generation family member. We are a small family owned business, but have a team that's ready to handle all of our customers' needs. We offer a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all the repairs that we do. Customer service is number one to us. We teach our entire staff to treat others the way you'd like to be treated. We pride ourselves on our honesty and integrity and work diligently to make sure that our customers' expectations are met. We hope to have the opportunity to service your vehicle and your family's vehicles and help you ensure that they're safe for the road so you can get to all the events that you need to go to, whether it's doctors appointments or sporting events. We look forward to meeting you and working with you and meeting our team here at VF.